The bed is bedding. Honestly, I wish to have like one office where I can edit my video. Life is sweet when there's money. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlogging vlog. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As you guys can see, I'm doing great and I'm doing fine. First thing first, I want to say thank you so much because I see a lot of messages, a lot of calls asking me, Sandra, how are you? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing fine. I just want to say that I'm doing fine. As you guys can see from my smile, from my face, I'm good now. I'm okay. So thank you guys so much. In this vlog, I'm gonna be styling Priscilla hair. As you guys can see from our last video, I washed her hair but I haven't, style it, and the hair has been like that for like 2-3 days now, and I'm gonna be styling it for her today. Also, I'm going to be reviving my braid back to life. This braid has been on my hair for 2 months now, and you guys see from one of my vlogs that I went to take an appointment to change this hair, but something comes up. I couldn't go because due to I was sick. I had to cancel the appointment, and the way I'm feeling right now with this waist back lower problem what I have, I'm not just in the mood to go sit down for like 2-3 hours. I'm gonna be carrying this hair for extra 2 weeks, yeah, and I'm just gonna be refreshing it and bringing it back to life, styling Priscilla hair with you guys. A lot of things that I'm going to be doing in this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. My sister just opened a new shop, and she sent me a cute perfume that I will be sharing with you guys. 1, 2, 3. God, 4. Oh, more. I knew I felt like perfume before. I've not even opened them. I'm beginning to, oh my god. If you are into business, you are my friend. It comes with cute bag. When you are buying from her, it comes with a bag. You don't just need to worry. First thing first, the packaging, the way it comes, I love it. It has different smell and different type. This is the perfume and this is the box. We are going to be putting this one into this one. Let me open this one first. And inside, oh my god. So inside is like this. This is how little it is. How did you open it? Okay, hi village girl. This is how inside is. Nothing is inside. This is how the perfume is. This is the perfume. Little but mighty. It smells so good. Oh my god, the smell is something else. So the name of this one is Prada. I love the smell. The smell is top. It smells good, fresh, giving you that rich vibe. It smells feminine. Just place this one inside like this, and then we are going to cover it. Et voila. And then you just push this one inside like that, and then you can bring it out like this and bring it in, bring it out, bring it in. I think I love it. Very beautiful. What's the wash at times? You like it? You do? So we just finished Priscilla braid, and Here is she right here. She has been so excited about this hair. I'm just taking my time, just relaxing here. I'm tired a little bit, and Obi is on the kitchen. Marry husband when go fit take care of you. Now this is my own, so Obi just came back and he was like, don't worry, go and sit down, I'm gonna make dinner. And I was like, okay. That was how I've relaxed here, and him is in the kitchen right now trying to make dinner for us. I dey enjoy my best life for the moment. I wish you go feel yourself me I all this down like this every day. Now make I not do anything. Oh, I'm so happy. What is all this? Like this head is shock you. What jagba kilo share gone. Body they shock you. Body they sweet you. See your head. Like this hair. I'm gonna take when you are sleeping, Priscilla, I'm going to take off your hair. Yeah, I don't like it. I'll take it off when you are sleeping.
Grind meat.
Ground meat with tomato, right?
Grind. How? I don't know how to say it.
Hey guys, so we are inside IKEA. We have come here for just two things because we wanted to change our sofa, our sitting room chair, and we also want to change also our kitchen. So that is basically why we are here. Babe, what do you think about this one? What you think? No. This one is a no for us. Did you like this one? No. This one is not bad though. Oh my god, it's very soft. Maybe we'll go and check another place. We'll go and check Roma. We'll go and check Roma because we didn't see the one that we are seeing is Obi doesn't like. But let's check the kitchen first. This one is fine, no? And it's also got a lot of space. One thing about me, I like when kitchen is very big. You know, look at this place. This one is what? This one is fridge. Oh my gosh. It's very beautiful. Oven. Microwave. And the up one. To put space. Now that one is also fridge. Oh, I love this one. Omo. I love this one. And it got a lot of space. That one is what? It's freezer. There's a lot of things that we are going to change in that house. First of all, I'm also changing the light because the light in my living room is very, very dull. At times when I'm doing video like this, everywhere is just dark. Oh. One thing I love about IKEA, you got to see a lot of ideas on how to maintain your house. You know, you just got an idea, a lot of ideas. All the kitchen like this is how much the set?
The set?
Yeah. The set is how much? Oh. Is it not this one?
Well, 5,000, 6,000.
Everything is about 5,000. Let's say 6,000.
It's only the kitchen.
This is only the kitchen. Without the fridge.
No.
Everything is how much? 14,000.
Yeah.
See the view.
That one, it was.
Yeah.
It was not wood. Never died. This one died.
This one. It's not the same. But the thing is that I don't like this one. This is how this one fridge is. I like it. But we are not changing any bed for the moment. At least our bed is good. It's nice though. No, honestly, I wish to have like one office where I can edit my video. You know, just stay without no stress. Life is sweet when there's money. Auntie don't carry me. Not be waiting carry me come here. I can't they do again. Another thing can't they hold me in this time around. When you are inside here, you are lost. You are lost. It's big. Now we are going to my favorite place. Ah, you need to break. This is home in France. Everything is complicated. Like everything is hard. How did you do this one? The home here. I don't know how they build their home here. I also like this one. So you guys were in front of Priscilla's school trying to pick Priscilla. I think they are coming. Yeah, look at Pris right there. Look at she's coming. Catch you! How are you?
Fine.
Oh, yeah, come inside the car.
No.
What is no? You want to stay outside there? Oh, yeah, come inside. Big madam, how are you? Come, I kiss you. I missed you. I missed you all day. How was your school? You look cold. Why me I'm hot, you are cold. You guys, this is my second time that I'm going to be, refreshing this hair. Just trying to refresh this hair back, and then I'll be carrying it for extra maybe 1 week, and then I can plan to take it off. To carry this hair for like extra 1 week, I have to, make it a little bit clean because the hair is, it's getting detangled at the tip, and you guys know how synthetic hair is. And the first thing that I love to just use, I like to go in with my capsule oil. This oil is very good. You can get this oil in Amazon. So another thing that I also use on my scalp is this lotion booster stimulate. So I like to go in with this one into my scalp. A drop. I wanted to buy the spray. The spray is more easy to spray down. This one pressing down. I'm gonna take another extra small. I'll put it into my scalp. Just massage it into my scalp. Session by session. I love to just go in with this on my hair. I don't have any more. It remained a little because I've used the last one for Priscilla hair. Good morning and happy Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday. Today is Sunday 21 of September, and I'm all alone at home. Priscilla have gone out with her father, having that father and daughter time. They have gone out to take a walk, and I'm just here. You guys can see I'm vlogging in my sitting room. You can see how everywhere is not bright. So I was not really happy yesterday because I was not able to get the light that I want, because Obi said this platform here, there's no way we can put a light in this platform except maybe we need to connect wire to the hub to do it. We are planning to leave this apartment soon, so I should be patient. The home here in Nice are very, very small and expensive. The apartment here is very small. The kitchen are very small. The bedroom, everything is very, very small. I don't even know what is special about this Nice. I think the main reason why people love this Nice is because of the, it's a tourist city. The weather is good, but when it comes to apartment and all that, trust me, it's very, very small. We have been searching, we have been looking for an apartment for almost 6 months now, and it hasn't really been easy, because when it comes to apartment hunt here in Nice is very, very difficult, and it's very, 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 very hard. That is the main reason I am begging hubby we go out from Nice, like this, we get a good place. And yeah, the weather today is very, very bad. I don't even know how Priscilla and her dad are really, really enjoying their day outside because it looks as if it's going to rain. And when Obi comes back, we are going to be going to Kaforoma. There's a shopping mall called Kaforoma here. We're going to be going to Kaforoma and Brico Depot to see, actually, view our highs, to also get the idea for the kitchen and idea for the things that we are going to be needing. We need to change our fridge because we have like one old fridge. I cannot wait to just change it because that fridge I've spent like thousands of years, and yeah, we are going to be seeing the kind of fridge that we can also buy. I really want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you all so much for always taking by to watch today vlog. And I just want to say I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you so much for always supporting me, and I will be seeing you guys my next one. And peace out. I love you, and see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.